Walmart is making waves as it officially joins the Nasdaq 100 index on January 20, 2026, signaling a new era for the retail giant. Shares surged to an all-time high of $118.69, reflecting investor excitement over Walmart's ambitious tech-driven strategies. The company is rapidly expanding its drone delivery program, aiming to cover 270 stores by the end of 2027. This move, in partnership with Advanced Drone Services, promises ultra-fast deliveries for lightweight packages, enhancing convenience for customers in select cities. But Walmart's innovation doesn't stop there. The retailer is integrating Google's Gemini AI assistant to streamline product discovery and purchasing across Walmart and Sam's Club. This builds on its collaboration with OpenAI's ChatGPT, which introduced instant checkout, allowing shoppers to complete transactions entirely through the chatbot interface. These advancements position Walmart not just as a retailer, but as a tech-forward shopping destination. Analysts suggest that these initiatives could reshape consumer expectations, making Walmart a competitive force in the AI-driven retail landscape. Investors are watching closely as the company blends traditional retail strength with cutting-edge technology, potentially setting a blueprint for the future of commerce. With drones and AI at the helm, Walmart is demonstrating that the future of shopping might be faster, smarter, and more automated than ever before.